Hello everyone, welcome to How to Master It. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated with our easy to follow tech guides. Today we're focusing on a powerful tool in Excel, pivot tables. Pivot tables let you summarize, analyze, explore, and present your data in an organized and insightful way. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Excel workbook and select the range of data you want to create a pivot table from. If your data is in a table format, simply click anywhere inside the table. Step 2. Go to the Insert tab in the top menu, then click Pivot Table in the Tables group. Step 3. In the Create Pivot Table dialog box that opens, Excel will automatically select your data range. Under Choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed, you can select New Worksheet or Existing Worksheet. If you choose Existing Worksheet, you'll need to specify the location. Step 4. Click OK, and an empty pivot table will be created in your chosen location. Step 5. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, you can select the fields you want to include in your pivot table. Simply check the box next to the field name to add it. Step 6. Drag the field names into the rows, columns, values, and filters boxes depending on how you want to organize your data. And there you have it. You've just created your first pivot table in Excel. Pivot tables are a dynamic and powerful way to make sense of large data sets. Thank you for tuning in to How to Master It. If this tutorial was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear, practical tech guides. Until next time.